What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. This channel is geared more towards this Infinity Q50 build I got. It is the VQ 3.7 2015 Premium, but today she's gonna get a little makeover. Well, not today, but I'm showing you all the actual process about how I'm going through with this conversion. So yes, as you can tell by the title, our sport bumper finally came in, y'all. I finally actually pulled the trigger and got this sport bumper, man. This premium bumper had to, you know, it's nice, but it was time for that switch up. So yeah, man, I'm gonna do a little unboxing for y'all, so make sure everything's good, and then I'm gonna send it off to the shop. I'm trying to get some prices on how much it should be charging. Put all the prices, how much I pay for the bumper, the fog light bezels, along with the lower grill. Those are the last things I need to order. It should be about like $100 some for both of those. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing for y'all, and next video will probably me dropping it off at the shop, and then getting it actually installed and all that. So I'm gonna show you all through the process. I'm gonna put all the prices, everything I paid, full breakdown of everything in the description below, so check that out if y'all interested in that. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get this unboxing going. Can't wait to see this, yo. So the packaging didn't come nice. It's has this little plastic sheet over it, and then behind it on the actual bumper, when they wrapped it, is bubble wrap, and then behind it has cardboard. So they took their time to, you know, really prep this and ship it out, make sure there's nothing damaged. So again, I will link the seller I bought this from down below as well.
Maha on the beat.
Alright, y'all, and there it is. Packaging came out nice. I was skeptical about ordering from this guy or this seller, because one of the reviews said that the bumper came folded in half, but obviously y'all saw the unboxing, the box that came in, it did not come folded in half. So don't worry about that if you do see that in the listing when I post it down below. But yeah, man, I'm very happy with the bumper. Now next step is get a good pricing on paint matching this for the red, and then that stock grill is going to be interchangeable with that. The last two things I need to order is just those bottom pieces right there, that middle grill here and the fog bezel. The stock fog lights and the blinker fit on that, those holes right there, with the bezel when you get them. So shouldn't be too expensive. So again, I'll put all the prices down below. But yeah, man, quick little unboxing for this. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and that bell notification to get notified every time I post a video. We're trying to get to at least 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So if y'all know anybody with Infinities or G37s or anything that like Infinity Nissan content, please, you know, send them the video, let them know. Still learning the process, so you know how to grow this channel. So I'm trying to make a little community with us, right? Again, everyone, thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification to get notified every time I post a video. If you like content like this, give your boy a subscription. All right, that being said, my name is Maha, and I'm out. Peace.